Next thing would be state deed tax.
State deed tax. Can't get away from that. That
Mm-mm.
is in Minnesota. Every state, of course, is going to be different, but in Minnesota, it's 0.0033% of the sale price that is
Right.
paid to the state deed tax.
And if it makes you feel any better, on the buyer side, they pay 0.023 of whatever the mortgage amount is. So the state gets you coming and going.
Right.
Everybody pays. So it's again, it's another, it doesn't matter who you work with, you're going to pay this.
Exactly.
So let me see. Balance of real estate taxes, again, like I told you or earlier on, or we mentioned, that we're not sure about because everything changes. Depending on the date
and
of
the real
closing.
estate taxes, yeah, sorry. And the real estate taxes, I mean, that's something either some people escrow them, some people pay them just directly to the county or city,
Yep.
on a biannual basis. So
Right.
it's whatever way you choose to do it.
But either way, it's not going to be money left on the table. It will
No.
end up back in your pocket as a credit one way or another.
Exactly.
What's
Very
next thing
good.
on our list?